If you are wondering if Google Pixel 11 supports power adapters or chargers that have 100 watts or more, then the answer actually depends on your expectation. So generally speaking, if you have a power adapter that has 100 watts or more, like 120, 125, and so on, then yes, you can use it in order to charge the phone. So the charger is still going to work, you still should be able to charge your Google Pixel 11, and that shouldn't really be a problem. However, if you have a power adapter that has 30 watts and it has PD 3.0 or PPS technology, and if you are wondering if a power adapter with 100 watts or more is going to improve the charging speed, then in that case the answer is no. So the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use in order to charge its battery is 30 watts. That's why I mentioned 30 watts in the first place. This is the maximum amount of watts that we can use to charge the phone. So even if you use a charger or a power adapter with 100 watts, the phone is still going to use only 30 watts at most at a time. So if you already have a power adapter with 30 watts, and if you think about upgrading it to get a charger that has 100 watts, then, well, there is really no point of doing so, unless you have other devices that can benefit if you actually upgrade your power adapter. But if it's just for your phone, for your Google Pixel 11, honestly, there is no point. You will not see the difference in the charging speed between 30 watts power adapter and 100 watts power adapter. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.